The Karthikeyan stupid is speaking right now, as he is fooled by Asus.
I'm calling from Asus only.
That is what I am speaking. You are speaking to Karthikeyan, a stupid who is fooled by Asus.
Sorry about that, Mr. Karthik, but let me just check up your information and accordingly I'm definitely going to help you with this case, okay?
Do it.
Yeah. So, sir, as per the details, as you have raised a concern regarding you're facing some problems with your product.
If I gave a replacement for some peripheral spare part, you have damaged another peripheral and you are asking me to pay for it once again. How could I to pay for it? Should I to pay for it? Before giving the laptop to the service, I have took a video. The video is showing perfectly the LED RGB panel under the laptop is working fine. After the keyboard replacement, it's not working, it's flickering. Whose problem is this? Is this my problem or the technician who handled the repair have made this problem?
I'm going to guide you accordingly, okay?
You have already guided me. I have very disgraced, embraced at the situation at the service center.
Okay, let me just specifically help you with the revert first and then definitely we're going to go ahead with that.
No, I have traveled about 2,500 kilometers in 14 days for this simple issue. I can't move from my place. You have to give me on-site warranty. No, I no need warranty. You have damaged my product. You have to make it ready. I have traveled for this specific purpose for 2,500 kilometers. So you have to come and pick on my side and take it and make the RGB LED lighting working properly. And deliver it to me. I won't travel. Else I'll see you in the consumer court. That is the only solution I will follow. As I am very disgraced, regretted, embraced, got pressured out of my conscience. Right now I'm speaking.
So sorry about that, Mr. Karthik, but if this is the case, like, as we have
I have every recordings and proofs of your nonsenses which you have shared with me.
okay. So specifically that's what I mean to say, like as in you have mentioned that you have traveled the service center more or many times. But in that scenario, you're expecting an engineer to come at it, those figures are the problem for you. But in that scenario, like as in we have already sent these details to our higher authorities. So the very first word what we had got from them that the product is out of warranty, engineer already
It's out of warranty. That's okay. Have I did a keyboard replacement for free service? I have paid it, right?
yeah, that's what I mean to say. Like,
When you're working on the keyboard, you have to open the lower panel of the keyboard. The lower panel has the LED RGB lighting. By mistake, the technician have damaged the lighting, so it is flickering. That's not my concern. Before I am giving the laptop, it was working. The upper layer of the motherboard only has the connector of the keyboard. So when opening disassembling the laptop, he have done something wrong. I'm not responsible for that reason which he have done for it. Before giving the display is working and the RGB LED light under the keyboard is panel is working. After the replacement, if not working, who is responsible? Am I responsible?
that's what I mean to say. So like specifically as we have had a conversation with our one of our engineer and specifically he have mentioned the same to our higher authorities and they are definitely working on your case and as we have
You are working, just simply working. As by 30th of I gave complaint on 29th through call and as well as through the MyAsus portal. Okay, and I got a call on 30th. That is by last Friday. Immediately I have travelled 1,200 kilometers and got the laptop by Saturday night. And it was Sunday first. It was holiday. And when I trying to go from my place, that is about 60 kilometers to the service center, your person from Asus called me my morning 9:45 p.m. stating that whether you have gave the laptop to the service center which we have mentioned. He asked me for it. Sir, I'm on the way. I am going to the service center only. After going to the service center people said me that There are no emails or any instructions from Asus side stating that the issue have to be resolved. They asked me for the amount and the carrying charge of rupees 800 and the replacement charges and other charges, blah blah blah. Why should I to pay? Your technician have done wrong.
I totally agree with your point.
Before giving it was working. After it was not working, is this my problem?
I'm getting a situation and
Yes.
that
No. I have traveled about. The first thing, one thing is that Coimbatore authorized service center quoted me 6,600 rupees. Okay, but Chennai, that is 600 kilometers away from my place, quoted me 6,100 rupees only. There is a vast difference. So I went to Chennai for replacement, but they again quoted me 8,600, and I stated them that you quoted me 6,100. So that's why only I came from my place traveling 600 kilometers to you. But you are stating again the same price as quoted in Coimbatore. So they gave me a discount of 15% on the spare part, and I have paid for the service. But after receiving the laptop delivery, the RGB LED panel under the laptop, that is under the motherboard connector, is not, which I have connected, is not flickering. Is that my problem? I have gave for keyboard replacement, which is on the upper layer of the motherboard. Technically speaking, your technicians have done wrong. I am not responsible for that thing. Am I clear? Hello?
yes, I'm audible to you.
Yeah, right now audible.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that.
I won't spend a single rupee for this. Sure. I have traveled lot of times. I am very disgraced, embraced. I was dishonored at this service center. You are charging me for you have done something wrong on my laptop. You are charging again. Why should I to pay?
That's what I mean to say regarding everything I'm totally with your logic, but definitely if we are taking any alternate decision on this case, that's why it's taking a bit long time for us to diagnose
Then
this issue.
why you have asked me to visit the center on 30th? By yesterday I have visited the center. Yesterday morning also by 9:45 a.m. I got the call whether are you going to the service center or not. By 11:40 a.m. I was in the service center. I was disgraced at the service center.
Yes.
Nothing was shared to them about the issue related to this. But Amir Shagir, a guy who called me on 30th, told me that they have shared the information by the internet team, it seems. I don't believe that you haven't shared. As because if you have shared, they have accepted my laptop, right?
I totally understand your
Do you
situation.
know how tired I am traveling 2,500 kilometers in train, through bus, everything?
That's what I mean to say,
Do
Mr.
you
Karthik.
know the cost of traveling? I am tired, regretted, depressed, traveling cost. Everything makes me angry.
That is totally fine, sir.
I have paid for the service as because it is out of warranty also.
Like specifically, that's what I mean to say. So like as in we have already mentioned all these details to our team, and definitely you just have to wait for the alternate solution, and we are here to help you out. We totally understand
I will wait for today. By yesterday, they have said that within 72 hours you will get a solution for this. I am not. I'm not. I'm not. No need of that concern call and sorry apologies calls and all. I need a solution for this within 72 hours. Which when I spoke to the customer person by yesterday, the last date of 72 hours ends by Thursday. Then I will go to the consumer court.
I totally agree with your point, Mr. Karthik, and definitely before that only we're gonna provide you with an alternate solution, and definitely it will help you a lot. You just have to wait for some time, and if for some
Sometime means that is 72 hours only your maximum time. That is also too long for that.
I do agree with your, which case, as I'm handling your case right now, so I will be the one who is gonna contact you, even if in case if
Do you know one thing? I couldn't contact you. I know that this number cannot be contacted again. I can contact only customer care.
yes, but the case is under my name.
Somebody will speak and I have to explain them once again. Do I look like an idiot speaking with every customer person for a half an hour explaining the issue?
No, you just don't need to mention everything. You just have to mention that I want to know about my escalated
I
issue.
have seen that they are not responding not well. That's it.
I am so sorry about that. But specifically, as I've like mentioned you the details, as in I will be the one who is handling a case right now, and if possible, even if
What
in
is your
case
name actually?
I my name is Zahid, sir.
Spell it again.
Yeah, it's Zahid, Zahid.
Zahid.
Yes.
So you are going to fool me once again. Last time Mir Shakir fooled me. By today you are going to fool me.
No, sir, I'm not gonna do the full, sir. Like specifically, as I've given you the information, and definitely we are also on the recorded line. Even if I don't be on my word, so definitely there will be a problem for me.
What will happen to Mir Shakir, who has promised me to give the laptop to the service center at Coimbatore Tatabad? What will happen to him?
I'll tell you.
He have promised me to give, that he has shared the information to the relevant address which he have provided me.
Yeah.
But I went there. There I was fooled. Like I was like a dumb donkey out there. They have received nothing information about my laptop serial number. But why Amir Sheikh said me that he have shared the information to our internet team has done this kind of thing, blah 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 blah. What action will you take for this person Amir Shakir, who have gave me a wrong commitment and the promise was not fair?
Okay, I'm getting a situation out here. Like
So
specifically,
you will also do likewise. I have seen lot of customer care people likewise.
I won't give you any false commitment, sir.
So you are giving a what kind of commitment you are going to give me?
Commitment, as in I will not give you any solution which is not applicable or which is not relevant.
I am asking a simple question. I gave the laptop without keyboard working condition, but everything was working. Okay? To the authorized service center. Okay, done. Next thing, the keyboard has been replaced. Either the amount has been differs or not, that not matters. I have made a paid service, but you have damaged the other part of the laptop. Who is responsible for that? Please tell me properly.
If the
I
damage, the particular
the keyboard has been the issue, so the keyboard has been replaced, but you have damaged the other part. Who is responsible for that? Am I responsible? Is the customer responsible, or the authorized service center or Asus is responsible?
yes, if the damage is done by the service center, then definitely that will be done
Hmm.
by the service
I
center.
have the proof.
If
Before giving the service center, I have took the video twice.
that is great.
After the service, I have took the video. There is there is simply you can see the difference. That RGB LED lighting under the panel is flickering, blinking, or something. If something which I try to work on it, if power circuit again starts again, the PC again have to be serviced. So I am not switching on the PC once again. Just keeping it as like a dumb thing, dummy, playful toy likewise.
Okay, so in this scenario, that's what I mean to say. So like, as in, it would be really great. What I'll do is, you just have to do one favor for me. I will be sending you one mail right now. Okay, that is just a case ID will be mentioned on it. You just have to reply on that mail. So whatever the information, whatever the proofs you have with you, just send that details to me so that I can also share these details to the team, so that it will be really easy for us to mention and make it possible that what exactly the
By
issue is.
yesterday, you do send the mail. I'll reply with the exact what are the problems issues I faced clearly, and also with the proofs. And one more thing, I have tweeted on Twitter also the to with tagging Asus and Compute and that kind of details. And also one more thing, I have reported a complaint to the CEO desk also.
I got your situation out here.
And I got a confirmation email from the CEO desk. A female named Anita has responded to that mail. But I haven't clearly explained the situation. So you send me a mail, I'll reply with the specific conditions as of now, which have happened clearly. I'll do it, but I never ever I will get the laptop out of my house. You have to come and pick it up, service it and deliver it to me. As because I have traveled a lot for this. For a simple solution, I have traveled 2,500 kilometers in 14 days time.
I got your
And I was fooled every time by Asus.
I got your situation, sir. Like specifically, give me a try. Let me just specifically go through this case, and definitely I will certainly gonna contact you back in
Just
within
mail
24
me,
hours.
I'll send every details.
Sure, sure. I'll do it right now.
In a chronological date-wise order, I will tell you every details. I got every call on record and I have every service record which I have provided to you. Everything I got it.
Perfectly fine. Just attach all the information which you have with you right now. All right?
Think like a simple technician. The panel under the laptop has to be removed to replace the keyboard first. Yes, the first layer, when we open the lid, the first layer is the keyboard and the second layer is the motherboard and the third layer is the lower enclosure panel. That panel LED is flickering. To replace the keyboard, you have to remove all those things and have to place the keyboard. First of all, the first thing you have to do is remove the below LED panel or the total panel first. So, who have done that damage to the lower panel? Before that it was working. Who have done that? Who might have done that?
That's what I mean to
Please
say.
think simply. Don't make it complicated. You have to remove the lower panel first. Remove the proper LED, RGB LED connectors, remove it properly. Then only remove the motherboard, then only replace the keyboard. Then you have to assemble it once again, and when assembling there should be working. And now if not the RGB LED under the panel, the first panel which have been removed is not working, means the damage has been done by the technician. This is a simple thing one can understand. Do I seem like a donkey or any other animal to fool me? I am a human man, speaking human.
Right. That's what I mean to say.
I am very much getting agitated and irritated of you kind of peoples. You kind of support. I'm not. I won't speak because I'm getting angry. Let it happen. Let you mail. I'll show the video and I'll clearly explain the situation. That's it.
Please. All right.
Your name again?
My name is Zahid, Mr. Karthik.
Shahid. Zagid. Zahid.
Yes, you
Okay.
got it.
I am also recording this call. I'll upload to the YouTube immediately as this is also one of my proof.
All right. I got it perfectly. Just send all these details over there. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Karthik. You have a good day.